Here's how you can make rain in Alight motion using just one layer and no heavy effects. Add a rectangle over your footage and make it fill the screen. Next, add the turbulence effect from the procedural category. Select the stretch property, tap on the Y and decrease it to around 0.1 to 0.3. Now reverse the colors. Set color 1 to white and color 2 to black. Increase the bias property, that'll make it start looking like rainfall. Take the offset, add keyframes and animate it going down. This creates the motion of falling rain. Animate evolution as well or it won't look good. You can tweak the intensity, it works similar to bias. Adjust the X value of stretch to control how long or short the raindrops are. And use scale to make the rain look closer or farther away. Once you're done with the rain animation, go to blending and opacity and set the blending mode to screen. That's about it. We now have the simple lightweight and realistic rain. Don't have premium? Just use a rain stock footage overlay and set its blending mode to screen.